Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google account on Android device. Before we start, I made this video for you who are new into these Android devices or have a troubleshoot on your Android application. Just watch the video. So let's start by search the setting or tap the setting buttons on your device. It depends on your device, what mobile phone you use. Just go to the settings feature here. So after that, you can scroll down, try to search the user and accounts. So this is the user and account page, and scroll down, search this add account. You can tap add account here and try to search Google. This one, you can tap again to Google, wait for it, and verify if you have a password. And this is the Google sign in with your Google account. So you can add a new account in this page by add your email, or you can create a new account here. So after that, you can tap next and next. After that, the new account will add into your phone or your own or into your Android devices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you next video.